Craig Manufacturing was founded in 1946 by my grandfather and his father. We're a family business and we make attachments for off-highway construction equipment. So Craig Manufacturing plays an important role. We're a rural manufacturing company. We provide great rural jobs that allow people to live great family lives here in New Brunswick. The biggest problem facing the skilled trades sector is a lack of available workers. There's some great opportunities for women and diverse groups in the trades. We encourage everyone to strongly consider making a career in the trades. We're trying to create opportunities. We're trying to work with NBCC to allow people who have never been exposed to the trades to get training and opportunities so they can have a career in the trades.
My name is Alex Fowler. I'm 21 years old and I'm a welder here at Craig Manufacturing. So I studied welding and metal fabrication in Woodstock, NBCC, and I graduated in 2019. I'd have to say the most important thing that NBCC prepared me for in the real life was to show up on time and never put in less than 100%.
My name is Craig Merchant and I'm a CNC machinist at Craig Manufacturing. I took a 2-year program at NBCC Moncton. If you're just starting at NBCC, I recommend you take every second you have and use it to your full potential because it's going to slip by so fast. You're going to wish that you took even more in than you get.
My name is Heath Alexander and I'm the Chief Financial Officer here for Craig Manufacturing. I took the Business Technology program, 2-year program, 2nd year focused on accounting, and I graduated in 1986. Craig Manufacturing is really a world-class organization. It's been a tremendous honor and an opportunity for me to here work at Craig Manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Mark Stayers and I'm the VP of Engineering here at Craig Manufacturing. When I'm hiring, the benefit of being an NBCC graduate is the fact that you've gone through a course that is tough. I know they've gone through a hard program and that they're a good worker because they graduated.
We have NBCC grads for 2 reasons. One, they have trade skills, so they learn great things on the job. And then number 2, NBCC teaches them how to think and how to solve problems. Here at Craig, we have competitive advantages. We have lots of opportunities on my executive team. We have NBCC grads that have worked their way up into positions. The job that you start with here at Craig Manufacturing probably won't be the job that you finish your career with.